Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's going on for Pisces. Okay, sure. Seven of Swords, the King of Swords, the Chariot, Five of Pentacles, the Lovers, Eight of Pentacles, Three of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the King of Wands, Seven of Cups, Four of Cups, the Nine of Cups. Okay. Let's see what's the message from this deck for Pisces. Okay, the King of Hearts. Guidance from the angels. So Pisces, with the Seven of Swords and the King of Swords, somebody is not showing you their emotions. Somebody is not investing. This person is acting very cold, very dry, very detached. That is the energy of this person. They are hiding their feelings, or they are hiding some information, whatever it is. Somebody is being sneaky over here. Definitely somebody is being sneaky. They are maybe they are not committing, that is the thing. But somebody here is very cold, detached, keeping themselves distant. Okay. But what I feel here is, picking up this Chariot card, that maybe this person wants to act. This person is perhaps ready to act, though they may not have started their action or opening them up, or showing their emotions or something like that, because this person is, as for now, very dry, very cold, hiding their emotions from them, being very sneaky, maybe showing off some sort of an attitude. They are really showing as if they really don't have any feelings for you exactly. Okay, so this first person is showing, you are feeling as if they don't love you. That is what they are showing you. Okay, but maybe that it is, I don't know, we'll see how it proceeds. But this is what the energy of this person is. And here with the Chariot, what I feel is, it is the contrast of the King of Swords, and this person is at least deep within wanting to take action, and they are trying to get rid of this dry energy. Okay, so it's to me, when these, I'm holding these cards, it is coming off as a lifeless to full of life, or from a colorless to a colorful life. So that is what this person is wanting to, at least within them, they are wanting to take action, they are wanting to move forward, they are ready to, wanting to take charge. At least they are wishing to do that. They will do that or not, they should do it with the Chariot. It is a major arcana, and Chariot moves pretty fast. But at least this is what they are wanting to. Let's see how the reading proceeds. But the thing is, very strongly, which I am getting here, is that this is the person who wants to make their life colorful. They want to make their life colorful also. Okay, and they want to add colors to their life also, but may not be showing you this till now. Okay, And here we have the Five of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Eight of Pentacles. So here somebody is feeling left out in the cold, ignored, rejected, and that person has really turned their back. This person has started focusing on their work. Though this is a very strong connection, a very, with the Lovers card out here, it's a soulmate type of energy. It is blessed, it is balanced, it is, everything is equal counterparts, everything is beautiful. But the thing is, since the other person is not showing their emotions, this person has felt rejected and they felt ignored. They really feel that this person doesn't love me, and that is why this person has started focusing on their work, building their finances, building their career, whatever it is. This person really doesn't feel any love now, and they were tired of perhaps dealing with the situation. So with the Lovers card over here, though the love is still there, it is not the love has gone, they still have this person on their mind. They still know that the connection, they feel the connection, that's what I'm trying to say. So this person feels the connection but really can't do much about it because the other person is not investing. And the thing is that what can the other person do? They can't keep on getting insulted because they are sort of getting insulted again and again. They keep on working hard, maybe they show their emotions, but the thing is that nothing works out. So this person has finally uh, turn their back, and it's no point in investing. Let me focus on my work, sort of a thing. That will be a better thing. Let me be busy in my own things. Okay, and here we have the Three of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles, the King of Wands, the Seven of Cups, the Four of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. So the Three of Swords definitely talks about a lot of heart-wrenching situation in this scenario because the other person is not investing at all. With the Knight of Pentacles, this situation is just not moving ahead, though the love is there. As I said, maybe this person wants to take action, but I really don't see them taking any action. Over here, the Knight of Cups with the King of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, the King of Wands, and the Seven of Cups. So what I feel here is that though love is still there, but with the King of Wands, somebody is just seeing that, okay, yeah, I know love is there, but this person is just still not making a move. With the Seven of Cups and the Four of Cups, again what I feel is somebody is really very confused, or maybe they are too much focused on many other things which are enticing them or catching their attention. Vibe which I am getting here is that this person is so attracted to all the other stuff going on in their life that they are not accepting your love. Or maybe it's you who is disappointed over here. Okay, so somebody here is feeling angry and disappointed. Maybe it is you, because this person is too focused on their own stuff. This person is too focused on, I mean, it's like they know love is there, but they have so many other things going on in their life which add to their glitter and glamour. That showbiz type of a thing which I'm getting, that is the world of glitter and glamour which entices them so much. It looks like more of a materialistic world, that they just don't pay attention to the love which is there in this condition. Okay, and here with the Nine of Cups, though it is a wish fulfillment, what I feel is that this person is still not opening up. This is a sort of a selfishness also. So this person is not opening up over here at all. Okay, and here we have from this deck we have the King of Hearts. So with the King of Hearts, again, we see one more thing I wanted to say was we have the King of Swords, the King of Wands, and again here we have the King. So what I feel is maybe this is the person who is dominating, maybe this person is arrogant, maybe this person is status wise, or because of that they are not opening up. Can be that. So it's not that they don't have feelings, they do have a lot of feelings. Maybe you can see it in their eyes if you can, but the thing is this person is also trying to balance the situation or sort out uh, sort it out within them, or how to moderate the situation. I don't know what they are doing, but they are doing some sort of balance over here. Okay, let me see what is the guidance from the angels. Number 6 may be of some significance for you. Open your heart, allow love to grow and bloom all around you. You have waited for this emotionally fulfilling experience for such a long time, and now the time has come. Make your choices by listening to your heart and then following the steps you are guided to take. Joy will lead you to a vibrant and healthy life. So perhaps this talks about the chariot, that open your heart. You are not opening up your heart, and the chariot is that this person is wishing to do the so, but I don't see them opening up. Let me see if I get anything else for you, Pisces. The waiting card dropped down. Let's see if there is anything else for Pisces in this situation. The 9 of Pentacles, you focusing on yourself. 5 of Swords, some dispute or something has happened between the both of you. The 2 of Swords, trying to take a decision, closed off again, single. With the 2 of Cups, definitely there is decision needs to be, maybe this is the time this person, there has been a dispute, definitely that is why you people are so called spending this single time and not investing in the relationship. And with the 2 of Swords, somebody here is taking a decision for this relationship with the 2 of Cups. And here we have the Ace of Pentacles. Maybe this person will offer love and open up. A new beginning is here with the 10 of Pentacles towards commitment. So here this person is trying to take a decision after this so-called fight or an argument, whatever has happened between the both of you. And here I think maybe you come together once again with the Ace of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles over here. New beginning, and this is a commitment and a family. We have the Emperor. Maybe actually this person is bossy and dominating. They want to have their own way. With the Magician, definitely a new beginning coming in this situation which was hanging since a long time. With the 3 of Cups, perhaps there is a reunion for both of you. Queen of Cups, a lot of emotions are there. The Page of Cups, yes, somebody is opening up. I'm going on opening the cards. Okay, Ace of Swords, yeah, a new beginning is there. One more. Yeah, Page of Wands, new beginning is there, definitely. Then it was the Queen of Wands and the Fool. So what I feel is definitely new beginning will be there, but yeah, this person is still deciding. This person is actually wanting to act, as I said here also. But maybe this is the energy of this person and their nature, that maybe give them some more time. They are thinking about it. They are trying to make a decision over it. That's what I feel. Okay, so it's not that they are not aware of the fact that you are their wish fulfillment. This person is aware that you are their wish fulfillment. But okay, you really can't do much. Let them take their time and open up. That's what you can do, Pisces. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.